Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got this seat cover in from Isotta in Italy, and the reason why I went with it is because they had this gray patch here, and here, surrounded by the Alcantara material to match the tank kind of protector up here. So because I'm not going to change that, I just wanted to have a seat that kind of blends in with the detail of the bike already. And it's a great seat. Isotta makes some awesome stuff. So does Tappezzeria Italia. I usually use Tappezzeria for my Ducatis, and I've used a lot of their seats. They make some for the GS, but I just prefer to go with Isotta for the reason I stated. So I'm here at the upholstery shop. I'm going to have my guy who does my seats replace the cover. I also have the rear one too, but I'm not going to put that on because I don't use the rear seat. One, I don't want to be charged for putting on the rear seat if I'm never going to use it. Two, if I ever sell the bike and somebody wants the regular seat instead of the low seat, I have the lower seat. I want to give them an option of just, trading out, swapping out, or purchasing a regular seat or a high seat in the stock OEM color, and they'll still have the rear seat and the stock seat cover. So here we go. I'm here at the upholstery zone. So here she is, all done. Just got it back from my seat guy, Isotta. And you'll see that the gray matches the gray of the bike. So when you put it on, you will see that it kind of flows with it. It's got an Alcantara type of suede, whatever you want to call it, that you find in luxury vehicles. Super tight. Did a great job as always. And time to put her on. And there she is, all buttoned up, put back. Love the looks of it. Love the way it kind of flows with the bike. It was time for a new seat cover anyways, but you'll notice Alcantara, super soft suede. Got the ultra grip material on the sides for better grip. A little bit of leather right here that matches the color of the tank guard, so I didn't have to replace this when I replaced the seat cover. There you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks again for subscribing, guys. Till next time.